Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix J5Create docking station second monitor not working, multi-display and driver fix. To fix a second monitor that isn't working on your J5Create docking station, ensure all cables are firmly connected and securely seated. Then, download and install the latest J5Create USB graphic drivers required for extended dual display on most models, and grant screen recording permissions if using Mac OS and reboot your system. Fix 1. Check your physical connections. Verify the upstream connection. Make sure the USB-C cable running from the dock is plugged into the correct host/upstream port on the dock, usually indicated by a laptop icon. Then power up. Many multi-port J5 Create docks require the provided external power supply to be plugged into a wall outlet to power the video chipsets. Bus powers alone isn't always enough. Test the cables. Disconnect the non-working monitor from the dock and connect it directly to your laptop's HDMI or USB-C port. If it still doesn't turn on, the cable or monitor is faulty. Fix 2. Install or update drivers. Most J5 Create dual and triple monitor docks utilize display link technology, which relies on software to process video over standard USB connection. For Windows, download the display link download software, then install it and restart your PC, and then reconnect the dock. For Mac OS, download the J5 Create driver specifically for Mac, and during installation, Mac OS will prompt you to allow screen recording needed for display data. Now navigate to Apple menu, then go to System Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. Inside it, find Screen Recording and enable USB Display or DJT Virtual Display Agent. Fix 3. Check laptop port compatibility. Ensure that your computer's USB-C port supports video output, DisplayPort ALT mode or Thunderbolt. Some older or non-Thunderbolt USB-C ports do not have enough bandwidth to output signals to multiple high-resolution external monitors at once. Fix 4. Configure your display settings. For Windows, right-click an empty area on your desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down to Multiple Displays and select Extend these displays. If one screen is unchecked or disabled, click Detect or check the box. For Mac, go to Apple menu, in it go to System Settings and find Displays. Then click on the Arrange button and ensure the monitors are placed side by side in software matching your physical desk layout. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.